Have you ever wondered how to make custom structures in Minecraft? Well, in this video I'm gonna show you. So of course, first of all, we need the build. Okay, so now I have my house. It's not that great, but it'll do. And I need to take a structure block and put it preferably in the corner of the build and put it on save. Here will be the structure name, so for example house, and we have to make the structure size, which for now let's make it for 48, which is the maximum. And we can see we have a box around here, and we need to line up the box with this build. So for example, yeah, that's it. So now I have the house in here, and I need structure void, which will be replaced once the structure is generated. It will be replaced with the blocks that should be there. So for example, I want the floor to be out of the biome, so I place the structure voids here. If you don't see the structure void, you can show invisible blocks like this. The blue ones are air, and I forgot about the floor kinda. Don't forget about the floor, or else it won't have one. Okay, now it's done, and we need to save this, and we do that by, you have to have it in save mode and just click save, but you can also include entities if you want, but I don't have any entities, so I won't. Click save, and it will be saved in your folder. You can get to your folder by clicking on the word and click edit and open, not backup, but open word folder. So that open up this, you go to generated Minecraft structures, and there you have your structure. So once you have your NPT structure, you need to make another folder inside your Datapack folder called structure, and put the NBT structure into that. Then you need another folder called WordGen, and 3 more folders in there. The first one will be again structure, the second one will be structure site, and the third one will be template pool. So we go back to our website, search for structure and let's make it. So the first one is type. We need to make it jigsaw because this is a custom structure. The next one is biomes. This is the biomes that it can generate in, so for example forest. The next one is step, which determines where it will spawn, so we need surface structure. Terrain adaptation is for example for villages where they can go down or up with the terrain, but I don't want that. And spawn overrides is the stuff that it can override, but again I'm not gonna use that. Start pool is the namespace of your data pack and then the structure. The size is the size, but if you leave it at 1 it will work. And start height we need to go absolute and 0 because we don't want the house to be below ground, or we need the floor to be below ground, so -1. Project start to height map, we want to be surface version, and max distance from center is it picks the point that it can spawn in, and you can set the distance from center, but I don't want that, so I'll leave it at 1. I don't want an expansion hack, and that's it. So once you have it, you can download it again and put it in your structure folder. So just like this, I put it in here. And now we go to the structure set. So again, this website, structure set, and let's go. So the type is in the first one, the rings are like with the stronghold that it generates in rings around the world, and random spread will be just random like villages or I don't know, fortresses, bastions, and I'll use that. The spacing is how minimally how much they can be apart from each other, so for in chunks, so let's say 10, and separation is the minimal, so 2 chunks, and that's really it. You can go ahead and download it and it will be fine. Oh no, one more thing, we need to say what structure and weight it will be. So again, it will be the namespace of your data pack and then the name of the structure. And the weight is like with lottery tickets, the less likely chance it will be picked. So I'll put it at 10, for example. And that's it. You can go ahead and download it and put it in your structure set folder. So now back to our website and to template pool. The name again is the namespace and the namespace and the structure. Fallback is the structure that will be generated if this structure cannot be generated in some cases. So I don't want that though. So I'll leave it. This is blank. And elements is you can have more types of this structure, so you add new elements, but because we only have one, we leave it at single pool element. And this is either terrain matching or rigid. Terrain matching is again like the village paths or villages in general. Location is the location of, again, the same thing like this. but it's needed here because it can be something else. Processors are the things that will impact your structure. So it can turn some stone into mossy stone or something like that. I'll leave it empty though, because I don't want that. And override liquids is overriding liquids, but again, I don't need it. So once you have it, again, download it and put it in your template folder. So let's create a new world and let's see. You need to add your data pack, of course. Don't forget about that. Put it in here, and from the available column to the select column. Oh, sorry, I found a mistake. This cannot be draft, but Minecraft empty. And it should work now. So we load in and we locate structure tutorial.house and we TP there. And as you can see, there it is. Because of one broken mod, I can't really fly through the blocks, but let me show you. Yeah, as you can see, it is here. It's a little bit floating, but that's because of the terrain generation. But as you can see, as I put the structure blocks here, it got replaced by other blocks right here. And yeah, that's it. That's how you make custom structures in Minecraft. So this is it for today's tutorial, and see ya.